Hi, my name is Craig and I'm with the Kanawha County Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to get set up with a Gmail account for your email. The first thing you'll want to do is bring up your internet browser, which is Internet Explorer. It's the blue E with a circle around it, and you'll probably see it in the middle of your screen when you sit down at a library computer. Once Internet Explorer comes up, you'll see the libraries page. What we want to do is go up here to this section where it says kanawhalibrary.org and just click it one time. Once you see that information turn blue, you want to start typing on your keyboard and just put in Gmail, Gmail.com, just like that. Then press enter on your keyboard. Now you'll see this page. If you don't already have an email account, you want to go right over here to the right side where it says create an account on the red button and just click it. In order to create a new account, we have to enter the information that they request over here in this gray section. So for name, we just put in our first name, then our last name. Just below that, we have to pick a username. Usernames have to be all together. You can't include spaces, and you don't want to pick something that's too common. Gmail has a lot of users, and it's likely that something that's a common word has already been taken. I find that the easiest thing to do is to put letters and numbers together. So if I wanted to say WV Librarian, I might add 25301, which is our zip code. Once we've got a username picked out, we need to create a password. Passwords with Gmail have to be at least 8 characters long, so they can be 8 letters, 8 numbers, or a combination of the two. As you type, it's going to tell you how strong it thinks your password is, and if it's not strong enough, you can always add additional information. We'll have to type that password one more time. And you will want to probably write down your username and password. You'll have to enter those every time you access Gmail. We do have a few more steps to complete here. We'll have to put in our birthday. Select our gender. Put in a mobile phone number. And it's important that you use a cell phone here. Sometimes they do have to send verification texts, so if you put in a landline, it's obviously not going to work. This section creates the most problems with signing up for a Gmail account. We basically have to type this information into this blank, and sometimes this is a little difficult to read. If you can't make out the letters, you can click on this icon that's an arrow pointing to itself, and that'll give you a new set of words. Otherwise, you can just enter the information exactly as it appears. ATO. Then click on I agree to the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy right here. And now we're ready to click on Next Step. This is what I mentioned a second ago. They just need to verify our account before we can start using it, so they will send a text message to your cell phone. Just click on Send Verification Code. And once that arrives at your cell phone, you'll want to enter that into the verification code blank. I'm going to stop the video because this sometimes does take about 15 minutes, as you can see right there. Okay, I've got my verification code now, so I'm just going to enter it into this box, then click on Verify. And it'll take a second, but now you can see I have my new email address here. We can continue to Gmail by clicking on this blue button, and I'm going to create a second video that will walk you through the process of starting a new email, replying to email, and so on. So just click on the username at the top of this YouTube video, and you'll be able to see that additional video. Thanks very much for watching.